Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Mount Fuji behind me in the rain, which is beautiful in Japan. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Tesla. It is the most requested. I'm going to always do two per video, otherwise the video is too long. So Bitcoin trades, Tesla trades. I've been trading for 22 years. I've been teaching on this channel for 3.5 years. I've got thousands of students, 10,000 in the Telegram. You can take the crypto masterclass #1 in the description. Make sure you study and learn the course before you start trading. Also, you can read books like Technical Analysis for the Financial Markets. Find things on YouTube, search Technical Analysis to learn. Don't trade until you've studied for at least a year and you really know what you're doing. Because I've seen some comments like, oh, the last 2 trades hit your stop loss. That's the point of a stop loss. I'm making $200,000, $300,000 trades. So when I lose $200 on a stop loss, that's a good thing. If I didn't have the stop loss, my losses could reach into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's the point of a stop loss. Little losses, massive gains. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're jumping into the technicals. And the market right now, let's see what's leading. Quite flat, no real change. BNB up a little bit, FXS up a little bit. Tesla about even, nothing really moving. It's quite a slow market today. Bitcoin down 1%. We're going into Bitcoin. In my opinion, Bitcoin is following my fifth, the ABC correction that I talked about. It hit my stop loss on the last trade, which is beautiful. I lost the trade. It's a $200 loss, but that's the point of a stop loss. So instead of losing thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars on that few hundred, I think it was a $50,000 trade or $40,000 trade, I lost $200 on the trade, or a little bit less. So I still think Bitcoin is playing out in this ABC correction. My target is 26K that I actually talked about a long time ago. If you're following my videos for the last, since the beginning of the year, we've been climbing and trading Bitcoin going up. Now it failed to reach the top of this channel. It made a lower high on the fifth wave, which is normal, but it was kind of showing weakness, and we didn't even get a bounce to the B. So I think we are going to come down quite quickly on Bitcoin. Stochastic heading down, weekly heading, 4-hourly heading down. Usually when it breaks like this, breaks a descend or a symmetrical triangle, it retests. After it fails the retest, it drops. So I think Bitcoin is going to drop from this monthly, daily, weekly support. So I'm going to short from there. So I'm going to open a short on Bitcoin from the weekly support, stop loss just above it, and take profit is at the target, 26,000. This is the trade I'm taking, 13 risk to reward ratio, risking $252 to make $3,310 with no leverage. The short opens at 29,291. And actually we could make it go up here. Open it from here in case there's a strong bounce. This is the trade. So the short opens at 29,362. Stop loss 29,544. Take profit 25,981. Risking $181 to make $3,381 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $33,000 profits. 100x leverage, $330,000 of profits. That's the short that I would take on Bitcoin right now. If you want to trade Bitcoin, under the video, in the description down below, you can in the description down below, you can go to #1 and take the course, jamescryptoguru.com. To sign up to Bybit using that link, you get a $30,000 bonus. Now we're going to go into the technicals for Tesla because that was the most requested. So I'm going to go into TA for Tesla. And I trade Bitcoin on Bybit. The link is #2 in the description. You get a $30,000 bonus, and you can also join the WSOT trading competition. So this is Tesla. We bought it exactly on the bottom of the market. And now since that bottom, we are up now on Tesla. And I bought a lot of it. It became my biggest holding. We are now up 195%, everyone. Congratulations. If you put in $1,000, you now have $3,000 if you bought with me in the beginning of the year. If you put in $100,000, you now have $300,000. If you put in $1 million, you now have $3 million. If you put $1 billion, you now have $3 billion. That's the power of investing and trading. It can compound massively, and you can, depending on the liquidity or the volume of the token or the stock, you can move billions of dollars into some of these assets. Stochastic very oversold on the daily, 4-hourly heading up. I mean, it should have this fourth wave correction, but this could have been the fourth wave correction already. Double bottom on the daily, so we are going to get a little bit of a run on Tesla, but I was expecting that we come back to 240. That's where and it hit my $258 buy and then bounced off. So congratulations if anyone took it. I would be putting a buy order at 240 because we're up so much it can pull back. 240 is where I would put buy orders, and then I expect to do the fifth to final wave, which could actually take us to 352 on Tesla. So I think you can buy now with this double. I could be buying now with this double bottom. There is going to be a short-term pump, but it does have the ability to pull back to 240 because of the third. So normally the way Elliott waves, one wave, that's the first impulse. Second is the correction. Third impulse is the biggest and most powerful impulse wave. Then fourth correction, then fifth and final wave, which is usually less than the second to third wave. So it should be pulling back on Bitcoin right now. On Tesla, 240 is the target. That's where I would put buy orders. To accumulate more Tesla. But I entered most of my position already down here at 105. So now I'm just looking to count the waves to make sure that I sell at the right moment. We have a lot of resistance at 311 though. You can clearly see 311 has a lot of resistance. So see here, when it was in 2021, it bounced off there at 311. In 2022 got rejected there, 2022 got rejected there, May 2022 came down, then multiple touches in September of 2022 on that resistance line, then got rejected and came down very strongly. So 311 is a very heavy resistance for Tesla. And I'm going to show you an ad for the Crypto Master Course and for trading. Really just beginning and you are very early in this. Make sure you split the seed phrase in half. Your first Bitcoin, amazing, and it's quite a beautiful thing when you learn to do this. Pressure, they build up pressure, they build up pressure. I really dislike, I would say hate the fact. That's why I made lesson 9 purely about leverage warnings. $6 trillion of USD. We want at least 20% profit. You can take that course at jamescryptoguru.com. And that was before, by the way, that was in 2021, before the whole bull market on crypto. So hopefully you took that course, but it's still available, still very popular. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. And at jamescryptoguru.com, you can also find the Stock Guru Master Course to learn stock trading as well. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. That's my update on Bitcoin and Tesla. And I'll comment down below any tickers that you want me to analyze and smash up thumbs up on every video. Let's get to 400 likes on this video, everyone. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.